Hello everyone. So in the previous class we discussed about the stack, that is the operation stack, operations on stack, and the algorithms, that is push and pop. As we discussed about the stack, today we will discuss about the queues. The topic is queues. So as I told you, the stack is a linear data structure. So this queue is also a linear data structure. Queue is also a linear data structure. So here, what is the definition of the queue tells is, a queue is also an ordered collection of items where addition of new items and removal of existing items always takes place at the different ends. That is the definition of the queue. Okay. So in the stack, what will happen? Your insertion and deletion will be in the same place, but in the queue what will happen? Inserting, that is adding the new element, and removing the existing elements will be in the different ends. Okay. So what is the definition of the queue is, which is a queue is also an ordered collection of items, ordered collection of items, okay, where insertion, that is insertion of elements, that is addition, and removal of existing elements, okay. Insertion means adding, removal of existing elements because it is already which is added, okay, items or elements, whatever you call it as, okay, always takes place at different ends, always takes place at different ends. That is the what definition tells of queue. Okay, queue is ordered collection of items where you can add the new items and delete the removing which is already existing items with the different ends. That's why it is called a queue. That's why it is called as FIFO, that is FIFO. FIFO means first in, first out, first in, first out, which is the first element is inserted, that first element is only out from the your queue. Okay. So here there are two important terms you should remember. Inserted at one end, whatever the inserting element we are adding with the one end and deleting with the another end. Okay. So whatever the inserting the elements, we call it as a rear. Okay. Inserted at one end. Okay, whatever the inserted at the one end is called, we call it as rear. Very important. Rear means insertion. Okay, and whatever the rear. Okay, then whatever the items which is removed, okay, which is already existing items which is removed from the another end. Okay, existing items removed from another end is called front. So rear and front. So if it is rear, then it is called inserting. If it is front, then it is called delete. Okay. So whatever the insertion and deletion happens in the different ends, that is what the queue tells. Okay. So here the simple one, how it can be shown is, how we can show this insertion and deletion is like this. See, this is the queue where are the elements which are presented. Okay. So this end, whatever you are, this end and this end, there are two ends. Okay, different ends. So this is called the rear end. This is called the front end. Rear and front. So here rear means insert, add the elements. Front means delete. So when it is empty, see, before inserting element, when it is empty, when I inserted from this end, okay, when you are inserting, this is empty, so where it will go? When item is inserted, the item will be present here. So the next item I will insert, the item will come here. So again the next item will become here. Next item will here, the next item will be here. So when you delete this side, so which is the element will be deleted first? This one. Next element will be deleted, this one. Next element will be deleted, this one. That's why it is called first in, first out. Which is the first inserted? 10. Which is the first deleted? This is only the 10. Okay. So that's why it is called the queue. And this is also called a simple queue. Okay. And there are two operations. One is called NQ and DQ. Okay. For this insertion, we call it as NQ. For insertion, we call it as NQ. For deletion, we call it as DQ. DQ. Okay. So front, rear. Front means deletion, rear means insertion. For rear, we call it as the operation. This is the operation, that is NQ. For the front, your operation is DQ. This is how exactly the queue is. Okay. So insertion and deletion will be in the different ends. That's why it is called FIFO. That is first in, first out. When you go further for the queues, queues have different types. Queues having the different types. Okay. So types of queues. Types of queues. So what are the types of queue is? One is called, as we discussed, that is a simple queue. Second one, circular queue. Circular queue. Third one, priority queue. Third one, priority queue. And fourth one, DQ. So this is DQ means double-ended queue. Double-ended queue. So these are the different types of queues. One is called simple queue. Second one is circular queue. Third one is priority queue. Fourth one is DQ. That is called double-ended queue. As just we discussed, what is the definition of the queue tells, that is for the simple queue. Okay. Insertion occurs at the rear end and deletion occurs at the another end, that is called front, is called a simple queue. That is the same what the definition tells about the queue is a simple queue. Insertion occurs at rear, okay, and deletion occurs at the front. This is a simple queue. So if I write like this, so these are the elements. I will insert 0, 1, 2, 3. So I will write here 2, 40. Okay. Now if I say this front is here, okay, and rear is here. So what is the front now? Front position is, so now the front is equal to 1. Location of the front, not elements. So element will be presented is 10. And rear, what is the rear Position is 3. So like this we can have number of elements, and we can say which is the front, that particular location, and rear, particular location where elements are present. That is a simple queue. Okay. When you go for the second one, that is circular queue. Circular queue, circular queue. So what it tells is all the nodes are treated as circular. So all the nodes will be circulate. All the nodes are treated as circular such that the last node, which is the last node that follows the first node, which is the last node, again it follows the first node only. That is called circular. Okay. All the nodes here, all the nodes are treated as, all the nodes which are present in your list, circular, such that the last node, which is the last node, follows the first node, such that the last node follows the first node. Means again it should what? Circulate. Again it should circulate. It is like this. If I write like this, one, two, three, 4, 5. Okay. So some elements will be presented like 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. So what will happen here when it is finished? So again we will be circulate like this. So circular such that that last node follows the first node. Okay. So last node again it follows what? The first node only. Okay. This is what the circular queue. Okay. It will circulate one after the another from the last node. From last node follows the first node. Then third one, the third type, that is, as I told you, the priority queue. Third one is the priority queue. Priority queue. So here in this case you have to give the priority. An element can be inserted or removed. Okay. You can insert or remove based on the position. Based on the position, any position, whatever the position, if you want to give, but you have to give what? Some priority, which has to first delete, which has to first inserted. That you have to give the priority. That is called priority queue. Okay. An element can be inserted. Element can be inserted and or remove. Okay, you can insert or you can remove from any position. Okay, from any position based on priority. Based on what? Priority. Okay, you have to give some priority. So if I write like this, see, I will give the priority like this in this case. So 0, 1, 2, I will give like this priority. This is the priority I given. In this, what will happen? I will give some nodes. Two elements I given here priority. Okay, then the first element for the next I given 3 elements are there. Then in the last one, I will give only one element priority. So this is what the priority given. So 0 is the first priority, 1 is the second priority, 2 is the next priority. Okay. So in this case, so elements here, whatever the last element, if it is not presented, it will be always the null. Okay. So 0, 1, 2. So you can give any position. So anyway, see this one, element can be inserted or removed from any position. You can have, in this case, you can go for any position that can be insert or remove. But what you have to do, you have to give some priority, which that is like this 0, 1, 2. Okay, 0 priority is the first priority, next priority, third, next priority. It is like this. You have to give the priority, which element should be insert or which element should be delete for the priority basis. That is called priority queue. Okay. Then the last one, that is DQ, that is called double-ended queue. Last one is what? Double-ended queue. Double-ended queue means it is called DQ. Not the operation of DQ, it is a type of DQ. Okay. So what will happen in this case is insertion and whatever the deletion takes place at the different ends. Okay. The definition is what? Insertion and deletion will take place at different ends. At different ends. So both insertion and deletion means front and rear, both are present in the different ends. It is like this. So what will happen? Here we will have a, this is your rear, also front. So insertion is the rear, removing is the front. Okay. So again here also insertion, this remove. That is inserting means your rear. Okay. So both ends, this end also you can insert and delete, and this end also you can insert and delete. That's why it is called double-ended queue. Okay. Insertion and deletion will take place at the different ends, both ends. Okay, different ends, or you can tell it as both ends, both the ends, both ends. Okay. So this is what we learned about the simple definition of the queue. Okay, queue is also called, very important, you should remember, queue is called FIFO. That is FIFO, last, first in, first out. Okay, and two operations you are doing, that is NQ. NQ means you are inserting, that is your rear, and DQ means you are deletion, that is called front. And there are four types of queues. Simple queue, whatever the definition is telling, that is the simple queue, where insertion and deletion takes place at the different ends. And the circular queue, which where all the nodes are treated as circular, where the last node again follows the first node, that is circulate, that is what circular queue. Then third one, priority queue, where the elements are inserted and removed based on the position, any position, and which you will give the priority. Okay, you have to add or you can delete based on the priority. And fourth one is the double-ended queue, where we can insert and delete at both ends. In this end also you can insert and delete. In this end also you can insert and delete. Okay. So today we discuss this queue and definition of the queue and different types of the queue. In the next video we will discuss about some operations on queue and also the some algorithms in the Okay, thank you very much.